I'm sorry, Lily. I'm sorry, cuz I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. But I will be! I will be! James!
So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
Junior, what are we gonna do?
We'll think of something.
That's it.
I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. If I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
No, we're not.
James the Brains. Get us out of here.
Now we are.
What the?
Yahoo!
Hoo-yah! Ha!
Bye, James.
Bye, Junior.
Sorry to be so long, cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.